Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Smash File Transfer to send large files. So let's get started. First, go to fromsmash.com. Over here. You can either click to open the File Explorer or simply drag your file onto the page. After that, you'll have two options, either share via email or create a link. Over here, if you want to send through email, enter the recipient's email, your email, and an optional message. But for this example, we'll choose to share via a link. Then, fill in your details like the title and your email address. Click Get a Link, and Smash will ask you to verify your email. Enter the security code sent to your inbox. Once confirmed, your files will begin uploading to Smash's servers. After the upload is complete, a link will be generated. You can copy this link and share it with anyone. When the recipient clicks on it, they'll be able to preview the file and download it directly. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.